The presidential candidates of Nigeria's opposition People's Democratic Party and the Labour Party say they will appeal the judgment of the Presidential Election Petitions Court, which struck out their petitions and upheld the victory of President Bola Tinubu. The court had stated that the three petitions filed by the Labour Party, the PDP and the APM all lacked merit and also dismissed claims of widespread irregularities, saying the petitioners did not have sufficient evidence to prove their cases. Marvelous Obomano tells us more.
Early as 9 a.m., outside the Court of Appeal complex and beyond the police barricades. This, however, did not disrupt the sitting of the tribunal, which commenced its business of the day. By late evening, the venue outside the complex had become a melting pot of activities as different groups tried to show solidarity to President Bola Tinubu. Some would dance, others already exhausted from the day's activities. One of the leaders of the groups says the election in dispute was a no contest between the ruling All Progressives Congress and the Labour Party of Nigeria.
Obi knows that in a free and fair election, he cannot even win in Anambra State. If there's a free and fair election, Obi cannot win in Anambra State. If there's anybody who rigged the election, it was Obi that rigged the election. The results are very clear. But they want to cause irritation.
He says that so far so good, the judgment had been going in their favor and maintained that the track record of the president before his election is clear for all to see.
There's no way anybody can compare Asewaju.
The courtroom was filled with eminent personalities as it had become Nigeria's most followed case. The tribunal said the petitioners only made generic accusations of infractions and irregularities during the polls, claiming to have scored majority of lawful votes cast, but failed to specify the anomalies, the places where they occurred, and those affected. The court, in ruling on allegations of narcotic charges preferred against President Tinubu, the 25% vote requirement for the federal capital, the allegations of forged academic qualifications, double nomination by the vice president, and the electoral body's non-transmission of election results in real time, says that the petitioners did not bring in adequate evidence to support the above issues raised in their petitions and hence were struck out. This did not go down well with the petitioners.
This is a struggle that is not just for our clients, but for the constitution of this country, for the rule of law,
for democracy.
For democracy. We strongly believe that when we get to the Supreme Court will have the opportunity to review a number of things that have been said here today.
We have the firm instruction of our clients to challenge the judgment on appeal. And the court has promised us that possibly by tomorrow we are going to get a copy of the judgment. Once we have it, we swing into action.
Nigeria's vice president, while reacting to the judgment, says that the victory is a victory for democracy.
Today is a great day for Nigeria. The Nigerian judiciary had proved itself to be the guardians for justice and fairness against the sirens of deception. It's a battle between the will of the people and the forces of misinformation and disinformation.
This is a huge success, not only for APC as a political party in Nigeria, but it is a huge success for Nigerians and also a huge success for democracy.
He also adds that the will of Nigerians have prevailed.